Welcome to our post-game press conference. We are joined by Coach Renzi Bahar and our best player of the game, Arvin Tolentino. Gentlemen, congratulations on the win. First game of the conference, first win as well. But this did not come easy for Northport with Arvin getting hurt early in the game. Gio Halalon sitting this game out, but the team still sealed this win even when Kadeem Jack wasn't on the floor in much of the second half. What does that say about this team's character and how much of what you saw today do you want to see from the team moving forward?
Siguro, first of all, we thank God for this win, and it's all about all the credit to the players because we started flat. Our starter start slow, but the good thing there is our second group step up, lead by siyempre maganda yung linaro ni Evan Nelly. Then nadala niya yung team, but ang bottom line doon is yung team effort pa rin. Because of defense, nagkaroon kami ng nasunod yung game plan. With Coach Bonnie's game plan, andun yung ginawa namin. Sumunod yung mga players. That's why nakabalik kami on the later part ng first quarter. Although we still NLEX leading by 8 points, but still andun nagkaroon kami ng run. So yun lang. Throughout the game, we just stick to that game plan na yung sa defense plus yung offense namin, we just keep on running. So yun lang.
Thank you, Coach. Arvin, punta tayo sa'yo. Coach mentioned yung slow start. What happened there and how did you guys bounce back from that moving forward to the rest of the game?
Ano nangyari? Well, we started out flat. Medyo kinalawang kami, maybe, if that's the right term. But yung second unit namin yung nagdala, especially nung paglabas namin, and then na-carry namin yung momentum na nilaro nila. Maganda rin yung naging ball movement nila. The first few minutes, medyo nagkanahan na eh. Yun yung lumabas medyo pinifeel pa namin yung isa't isa. Pag-effort namin, medyo short time pa din yung namin, yung naging practice namin together. But nung second quarter naman, medyo umangat na yung laro namin. Nadala namin yung ginawa ng second unit namin, which is yung first of all, yung defense, stop, and then sharing the ball sa offense.
Arvin, nakwento ni Coach Bonnie kanina na binigyan niya daw kayo ng challenge before this game to distribute the scoring more evenly, especially among the locals. How do you think you and your teammates responded to that challenge, lalo na nung nakaupo yung import niyo for most of the second half?
Well, naging maayos naman. I think we did a great job today on doing that. Yun yung naging challenge ni Coach Bonnie sa amin before the game. To not really rely sa import and just to move the ball, share the offense, kumbaga, and then yung bola na yung maghahanap ng open man, and yun, swerte naman na na-convert namin. We had 55% kami sa 2 points, so nice. And assist also, we had 23, not bad.
Thank you, Arvin. At this point, we're now opening the floor for questions from our friends from the press.
Coach Renzi, congrats on the win. Coach, ano masabi niyo kay Kadeem Jack and especially the last minute?
I think Kadeem is kumbaga nag-a-adjust siya doon sa ginagawa namin. But Kadeem is a hustle player, which is yun ang nakita namin sa kanya at saka yung nagustuhan namin sa kanya. We rely mostly on his defense. Yun din ang mga coaches plus the locals because we need him on the last line of defense namin. Then yung points niya is a bonus na lang for us because the local can contribute naman, especially Arvin is here, our leading scorer. Talaga mostly yung load ng scoring is, nakita nyo na naman din kanina, kahit nung wala yung import is we go to Arvin, especially on the mismatches. Then yun lang, yun ang hinahanap namin kay Kadim na which is I think he can provide on us. Yung hustle sa defense, then yung rebounding.
Arvin, last two conferences, siguro ngayon coming in very determined na makasingit na kayo this time.
Yeah, that's a goal. Yun yung lagi nasa isip namin. Okay? Yun yung first step namin towards the main goal, which is of course a championship. But yun yung first goal namin this conference to make the playoffs. Lalo na dalawang conferences na hindi kami nakapasok. And parang very doable naman eh. But sayang na we could have been in the playoffs for two conferences pero medyo na short kami. So ngayon medyo mas mabigat na yung dala namin. So hopefully makapunta kami sa stars. Ngayon yung araw we already have one win. This year we have seven tayo. So that's as much win as we can this year.
Coach, nabanggit mo si Banele, mas malaki ba role niya this conference? Kaya ganito yung nilaro niya or talagang step up lang siya for today?
Number one is siyempre sa game na to. Then plus siyempre yung factor sa kanya is yung injury Gio which is talagang kailangan namin talaga mag-step up yung nasa guard position. And even Fran, maganda yung linaro ni Fran, but syempre nag-step up din yung si Ivan. Plus even Miranda na which is kahit limited minutes siya, naging maganda rin yung pagtatapas niya ng game. But yun lang naman yung inaano namin sa kanila na since si Gio is injured ngayon, kailangan talaga yung mga point guard positions namin talaga mag-step up to lead the team. I think mga siguro couple of weeks na lang siguro makakabalik na rin si Gio.
Coach, you mentioned yung defense, nilimitahan niya si Boling 3 points lang.
Yes.
Talaga yun yung plan.
Yes, yun talaga yung ano namin sa scouting report namin with the help of Coach Jarens. Talagang nabigay namin yung kailangan ma-stop sa kanila which is number one scorer nila and number one leader nila doon is si Robert. But siyempre, Robert Bolick is Robert Bolick eh. So, we're lucky na medyo talaga yung production niya sa points niya medyo mababa. So, yun lang. Yun yung naging big factor sa amin sa game na to. Na hindi siya na-involved doon sa scoring.
That's it for our post-game press conference. Coach Renzi, Arvin, congratulations again and thank you for your time.
Thank you po.